Hey guys, Simon Cudby from Upshift Online. We're here in the foothills above Boise, Idaho. We've got these 3 KTM 790s. This bike in the middle has the suspension on it off of a 790R, the stock stuff. This bike at the end here has the WP XPLOR Pro set up. So it's got the forks and the shock that we got from WP. And we left the settings as they came from WP. Then the bike at the end, the guys at Carl Cycle Sales in Boise have massaged this stuff and revalved the XPLOR Pro setup for more of a BDR trail style riding. So we're going to go and hit the trails, and we'll get back to you with some input. Alright, we're here with Scott Lantefield. So Scott, you're on this Carl's modified bike. How is it so far coming off the stock bike?
A huge difference. It's super dry slick today, and the big difference I really notice is the Carl's bike hooks up on the dry slick gravel a lot better than the standard R bike. So
yeah, I was looking at some of the turns back there, and there's like these little braking bumps in there, and I know on the stock bike it would like skate across that, but this bike seems to be much better.
Yeah, it totally absorbs all the washboard chop, and the traction is a huge noticeable difference.
Alright, so Scott, we just saw you coming down this little chute with a bunch of hard-packed whoops in. How did the bike feel?
The bike was incredible. It's super plush. You can tell the tires stay in contact with the dirt, and but it didn't bottom at all. There was no fork diving or anything like that.
Alright, so we spent all afternoon on this Carl's Cycles bike with the WP suspension mods. Carl's is an authorized WP distributor, so if you have these forks on your bike, you've stepped up and got the XPLOR Pro forks, and you want to make them just that little bit better, hit up the guys at Carl's Cycle Sales. What we found today is that the XPLOR Pro stuff out of the box is really good. But this just takes it, as I say, that little bit, it makes it that little bit better. It's much more compliant over those really small chatter bumps, but still you're maintaining that compliance over the bigger hits, so you're not bottoming the fork out at all. So overall, this is a good upgrade on this bike. As I say, the XPLOR Pro stuff is really good, but if you're spending that kind of money on that suspension, you really should spend just a little bit more with the guys at Carl's and get them to dial it in specifically for you. So that's it. Simon from Upshift, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.